So hey YouTube, your girl Marcy the Bee just got some new hair in the mailbox. Here it is. It is from Outre Xpression. It's their Boho 3x Bella Deep. I have it in 12 inches and the color is MT42730. Check it out.
It comes in 1, 1B, 2, 613, MT Cappuccino, MT Honey Blonde, MT Latte, MT 1B30, MT 1B425, MT 1B Copper Orange, MT 42730, MT 430.
Here's the back of the pack, and you can see how this style looks on the model. It is a twisted style boho or goddess if you like. Again, this is from Outre or Outre if you prefer. Xpression, it's their twisted up boho 3x Bella Deep. Here's what the hair looks like out of the plastic. It's really pretty. I can't wait to put this in. So it comes 3 bundles of 7 strands each for a total of 21 strands per package. I purchased it online at samsbeauty.com for $9.99 a pack. I got 5 packs and I'm hoping that's going to be enough. We shall see, because I'm getting ready to crochet this hair in. Stay tuned.
So, of course, I'm using Marcy the Bee's Stay Crochet with a diamond-shaped netted crochet wig cap over my natural hair. And you don't even have to have a cornrow base when you use the wig cap. I just washed my hair, put it in several braids. You can use whatever braiding pattern. You don't even really have to braid your hair at all. I usually get at least 2 or 3 installations out of one wig cap. As you can see, this one is previously used, got a hole in it, but it's not a big deal. You could just crochet right through that. This hair has a really nice thick pre-loop. It's a no knot crochet installation. Just pull the hair through the loop, give it a little tug. The hair that I did add in, I added a little bit of ocean wave hair, and I crocheted that on top of the loop just for a little extra added security.
This is my completed look, YouTube. Took about 4.5 hours, give or take, to install this hair. It was fairly easy. Now, I did add a little hair because the 5 packs was leaving a few gaps, and y'all know I do not like gaps. But you could probably get away with 5 packs. I'd suggest 5 or 6 for a complete style. And I've actually had this hair in for about a week. It is really easy to maintain. I've been wearing my bonnet kind of off and on. If I'm honest, some nights I just kind of fell into the bed. But it really didn't cause any problems as far as, like, you know, matting or tangling or anything. Just whipped out my trusty braid spray and it was good to go. I will of course leave the links to where you can purchase this hair online down below in the description box, so check for that. Any other any other information I may have neglected to add in this video, so check for that. I'm out though, YouTube. If you like this content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm out, and you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.